Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Japanese translator. So, let's dive right into it. Start by opening your browser and typing bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we proceed. Imagine effortlessly translating Japanese text into English using Bing Chat. It is as simple as typing "translate this in English" and hitting enter. Bing Chat works its magic, swiftly presenting you with an accurate English translation that reveals the essence of the Japanese words. But our exploration of language doesn't end there. If your curiosity prompts you to uncover the Japanese translation of an English phrase, the process remains consistently delightful. Just as before, initiate the conversation with "translate this in Japanese," followed by the English text. Watch as Bing Chat skillfully responds, furnishing the corresponding Japanese translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are truly remarkable, it is important to acknowledge that accuracy can vary, particularly in intricate contexts or nuanced language. Considering a second opinion for important matters is always a wise choice. Thanks for tuning us today. Now, you're ready to explore Japanese with the help of Bing Chat. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.